What's up YouTube, my name is Wilkins, and if you're watching this video, odds are you're looking for information on the Home Business Academy, and you want to know stuff like, is it legit, is it worth your time, or is it something that you can utilize and leverage to start earning commissions and create life-changing income? Well, I've got you covered. See, I've been doing affiliate marketing for half a decade now, trying all sorts of programs that oversell and vastly underdeliver. Now, I want to be transparent and let you know that I am an affiliate and that I do promote and use the Home Business Academy as my main affiliate program. And I am going to share with you everything that it has to offer. And as you watch this video, you'll completely understand just how powerful this system is and why I've partnered with the Home Business Academy to make it my main affiliate program. So with that being said, at any time during the course of this video, you feel like you're ready to sign up and get started, it'll be the first link down below in the description. Now, with that being said, let's go ahead and jump in this review. Let's jump in my back office so I can show you everything that Home Business Academy has to offer. The Home Business Academy, or what most of us call HBA, is an online educational platform that provides training and support for individuals who want to start and grow a home-based business. The Home Business Academy has four main components. First is the HBA Funnel Builder. This is a powerful tool that allows you to create sales funnels, landing pages, product pages, blogs, membership sites, for basically any product or service that you want to promote online. It's very easy to use and comes with a step-by-step training series called the Funnel Builders Academy, as well as live coaching. The websites that you build with this platform can be SEO optimized for ranking on Google. And unlike most other web hosting platforms, there are no data or speed caps hindering your website. You'll also get the new AI assistant that will help you with headlines, titles, and SEO optimization. Next is HBA Premium. This is a digital education membership that teaches you everything you need to know about generating traffic, leads, customers, and sales online. It includes courses on Facebook, YouTube, blogging, SEO, email marketing, and a whole bunch more. The training covers a large variety of both free and paid traffic methods. The co-founders also have live daily and weekly coaching masterminds where you can get the current and most up-to-date training and personalized coaching from other industry leaders. On top of that, you'll get access to Emerson, an AI assistant similar to ChatGPT that writes emails, creates blogs, YouTube scripts, or pretty much anything that you need it to do. And next you have the Financial Literacy Academy. This is another digital education membership that teaches you how to manage your money wisely and create financial stability in your life. It includes courses on debt elimination, tax strategies, retirement planning, asset protection, and rental properties. It also features a special guest trainer, Mark J. Kohler, who is a world-famous attorney, CPA, and best-selling author. And the last component is the affiliate program. For those of you who want to start an online business but don't know where to start, you can jump into the affiliate zone and learn how to start earning commissions from the other three offerings. The training they have in this section is totally separate from the other trainings in the program. The training in the affiliate section solely focuses on being an affiliate for them. They have a get started checklist with marketing assets and video training. They also have live training for new affiliates every Saturday. This is a very lucrative affiliate program that pays 80% in commissions from every sale and gives you a nice mix of low ticket, high ticket, and passive monthly income. So let me go ahead and take a second to just break this down. The HBA Funnel Builder is a $25 monthly subscription and you make $20 from every sale. You will also continue to earn month over month as long as a person stays subscribed. HBA Premium is a $125 monthly subscription with a 2-week free trial and a one-time 7-day $11 extension. When the free trial is over, you'll earn $100 for every month the person stays subscribed. Plus, you'll earn $8 every time a person uses the 7-day extension. The Financial Literacy Academy is a one-time purchase of $1,000, but when you first sign up, you will get a one-time offer that will discount the price to $500. If you decide to decline, the price will go back up to $1,000. Affiliates will earn a one-time commission of $400 for the one-time offer and $800 if the person pays full price. The HBA affiliate program is not an MLM. There are no uplines, downlines, or matrices. When a person makes a purchase using your affiliate link, you make a commission. It's as simple as that. Now, you must own the products that you're promoting in order to earn a commission from them. If someone signs up using your affiliate link, but you don't own the product, the Home Business Academy will give you 3 days after the commissions go out to purchase that product and get your commission, or else you will lose it. Commission payouts go out every Thursday. You can get your payment through direct deposit, PayPal, check, or special debit card. And the HBA is available worldwide. Now, I'm actually going to make a separate video about their affiliate program and really dig into it. They're currently in the process of changing their payment processor to accommodate the large influx of members this year, and the numbers and the stats are a little wonky. So once the migration is complete, I'll make a follow-up video and show you everything that the affiliate program has to offer. So I've been using the HBA for 6 months now, and here's what I have to say. The funnel builder is awesome. Whatever you need, you can build. There's a little bit of a learning curve, but that's about it. A little trick that I like to do to make some extra cash with the HBA Funnel Builder is that I actually build websites for other people. It's typically older people who want to build the website but don't know how to actually build the website or can't figure out how to. I'll go ahead and build it for them for a price. All I have to do is ask customer service to add me as their admin, and then I can just log into their back office and start building. And this right here is just like one of the examples that I can give you to show you that you can use the Home Business Academy to make income outside of the affiliate program. All of the training in the HBA is top tier and the community is awesome. You'll get help in the Facebook group almost instantly. The co-founders are very active as well, so that's a plus. And they're always adding new features and resources without charging extra. I honestly don't really have anything negative to say about the Home Business Academy. Every so often, they may make a huge change that's universally disliked, but usually within a week or so, if it's that bad, they'll go ahead and remove the change. But I mean, honestly, that's about it. So there you have it. This is my honest review of the Home Business Academy. Is this worth your time? Absolutely. Whether you want to become an affiliate for the Home Business Academy and earn through their compensation plan, or you want to use their tools and services to build out your own online business, the Home Business Academy has you completely covered. Now, if you're ready to join the Home Business Academy, the link will be the very first link in the description down below so that you can go ahead and get started. And for those of you who want to use HBA and become an affiliate through their program, be sure you subscribe to this channel and check out my playlist that I have on this channel. I have tons of training on both free traffic and paid traffic methods that are not covered in the Home Business Academy. And that's pretty much it. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below. Give this video a like if you found this information useful. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you in the next video. Take care.